right, just got out of the shower, just washed my hair. So this is gonna be a link check for March. I have my link check shirt on. Let you guys see it. My link check shirt. And I probably should go ahead and put this actually down a little, just a little bit, so you guys can see. This is the link check shirt. All right, so let me go ahead and take my hair down, and we're gonna do a link check. My hair is actually wet, but I think it's better wet so it can hang a little better and we can see exactly where it is. All right, so just try to get it straightened out for you guys. Alrighty, so this, I'm standing straight, looking forward, and I honestly don't know where the hair lands, but I am going to compare it to last month's video to see where my hair is. So I'll shake it a little bit. It feels like it's growing because it feels like it's a little further down. I mean, the hair only grows about a ½ inch to 1 inch a month, but it definitely feels a little different. So, all right. I hope we were able to get that footage. And I am going to turn around and put the video up. So, this is another video, guys. That's about it. Actually, guys, that is not it. My hair was still a little wet, especially at the root, and I just decided to get the blow dryer and just go ahead and just try to get it dry. Normally when you have locks, if you don't dry the hair thoroughly, somehow the hair eventually will start to smell almost like mildew. It's just like taking your clothes and washing your cotton or wool clothes, and if you just kind of let it just sit and not do anything, it's gonna eventually get a really bad smell. So unfortunately with locks, I mean, you have to make sure your scalp is dry because it takes a while for locks to dry. So this is why I'm just kind of going through it to make sure my scalp is dry. And as far as all the way to the tips of my hair, that'll kind of dry on its own as long as my root is dry and I'm not just letting it be stagnant. Because I had a situation before where I went to bed with it wet, covered it up, and oh boy, did it stink. My scalp, it just didn't have a really good smell. So I learned from there that, you know what, it's time to just make sure it's thoroughly dry. Now you don't have to use a blow dryer. You can actually use you can just let it dry naturally, but I would recommend you wash it early in the morning and then let it dry. So now that it's dry, I just kind of put it up in this little style, and that's pretty much it for that. I normally wear this style after I wash it, so it looked like it's trying to get a little longer. It's just gonna take some time, but anyhow, thank you so much for the link check, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.